unboxing from Sam's Club. It's the unicorn.
Here, bud, I'm opening this one for you, bud.
I think we're missing one
Did you
piece.
see Noah?
Oh, that's the unicorn. It's Umi.
This is the
Aw,
dinosaur.
it's so huge. Oh no, where's the butterfly?
Hey, do you need some help? Jenna, pull it. Pull it. Yomi, can you help Noah? I'll help it.
This is how it looks. This is how it's gonna look when you sleep on it.
Hey, help Noah.
Help Noah, guys.
Can I check it out, Mommy?
No, I already let you show it. You need to finish your schoolwork.
No.
Aw, that's cute dinosaur.
Noah, hold it on the handle.
No, don't remove it, no.
Tether.
Oh no.
It's okay.
Hey, your shark! It's so huge! Oh no, it's gonna bite you!
I'm a unicorn. It has a submarine.
Where's Shallows? Oh no, it didn't arrive. Maybe it'll arrive later.
Oh, you need some help, bud?
Shallow's butterfly didn't arrive.
No, sit on it. Giddy up, giddy up. Oh, you
We'll wait for you, Shallow, okay? Yours didn't arrive yet.
But that's still give me extra
Show.
Shark, you like your shark, Gabe?
No, give